Installation for the MaxiCharger AC Elite is easy. In this video, we'll show you the process step by step. Make sure a licensed electrician is performing the installation. Use a level to draw a vertical line of approximately 1 foot in line with the wall stud. Place the wall mount on the wall and level it. Mark 2 circles in the 2 holes. Drill 2 5x16-inch holes in line with the marked circles. Line up the wall mount with the holes and drill in the 2 provided screws. Remove the cover from the charger by removing the bottom 2 screws. Remove the inner cover. Hang the charger on the wall dock by sliding the 2 bolts downward through the holes. Screw the bottom screw into the hole at the bottom of the charger and tighten. Insert the AC input cable into the hardwire port. Connect the L1, L2, and PE wires accordingly and tighten. Reinstall the inner cover and the front cover and screw in the bottom 2 screws. Turn the power on. Bind the charger in the Autel Charge app and configure charging settings like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and more. When the home page appears, plug in the charger to the vehicle and begin charging.